Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Banxso.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Embattled crypto leader Celsius Network is on track to run out of money by October, according to the firm's latest Chapter 11 documents. Celsius highlighted that it is expected to reach negative liquidity by October 2022 to approximately $34 million. Swedish fashion giant H&M's official store on Alibaba's Tmall e-commerce platform has reopened 16 months after the Chinese site took down the following brand's criticisms of human rights abuses in Xinjiang. A second shipment of crude oil from a US Gulf of Mexico offshore field has sailed for Germany, according to vessel trafficking data and trade sources, as European refiners test potential replacements for Russian oil. The last session saw the pound gain 0.3% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair gained 0.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Dutch consumer spending volume will be released at 7:30 GMT, the US retail sales at 12:30 GMT, and the UK's consumer price index at 600 hours GMT. Finland's gross domestic product will be released at 500 hours GMT. The UK's core consumer price index at 600 hours GMT, and Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.